Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your really own DIY bookmark. So let's get on with the video. So since we are making an ice cream bookmark, I decided to start off with the cone of the ice cream. So I decided to use some yellow sticky notes to help me make the bookmark, which is also going to be the cone of the ice cream. So you want to take your sticky note and you just want to fold it in half so that it becomes a triangle. And you want to just press it down. So now you want to take one corner of the triangle and fold it upward to the top of the triangle. And you want to just press it down again. Now you want to take the other corner and also put it at the top of the triangle. So I just folded it, and again I'm just going to go ahead and press it down. So after you are done that step, you want to tuck in the triangle inside of the paper. I know this is a little confusing, but you just want to take the corner and you want to pull it up like you did before, and you just want to take the remaining and just tuck it inside and just press it down so it stays like that. And you're going to do the same thing with the other side. So you're going to take the other corner and you're also going to go ahead and tuck it inside. So now you will need your ruler and your pencil to draw the lines on the ice cream cone. Now it's time to draw the ice cream scoops on top of the ice cream cone. So I'm just going to take my pencil and measure the two sides of my bookmark to make sure that I draw the ice cream in the perfect measurement so that it fits inside the cone and not too big or not too small. You can also go ahead and decorate your ice cream however you like, so I decided to add some sprinkles on my ice cream as well as a cherry on top. Now you want to just go ahead and trace out what you drew on the ice cream cone, and you also want to go ahead and color your ice cream. After coloring, you want to cut out the ice cream you drew. So here I went ahead and colored in my ice cream, and then after that I just cut it out, and then I also traced out the lines I made on the ice cream cone. So now I'm going to glue on the ice cream I drew on top of the ice cream cone. So here I completed my ice cream cone bookmark. So now we are going to be making a bookmark which has a cute face on it. So you are going to be doing the same steps because we're doing the same bookmark except a different design on it. So you just want to follow those same steps again. Now I'm just going to go ahead and draw a cute face on my bookmark. So here is a completed bookmark that has a really cute face on it. So here I made a pizza bookmark, which is the same way I did for the other bookmarks, except I made a different design. So this is the end of the video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And don't forget to try out this DIY bookmark. You can try out different designs and it's pretty cool. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe down below and give it a thumbs up. Until next time, bye!